In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to safely unmount a hard drive or an external hard drive from your M4 Mac Mini. So if you have a hard drive connected, then before you pull it out, you need to safely eject it or safely unmount it so that you don't have any corrupted data. So to do that, just go to the hard drive. It's normally on the desktop of your M4 Mac Mini or any other Mac for that matter. Right click on the hard drive and then select eject. So it's going to be eject and then the name of the hard drive. So select eject. It's going to ask you if you want to eject. For instance, my hard drive has two partitions. So it's going to ask me if I want to just eject or eject all. So I'm just going to select eject all so that I can eject both partitions. And once they're ejected, I can now pull it out of my M4 Mac Mini. That's a safe way to do it. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that, and possibly even subscribe for more tips. Good luck.